Was sunset and Miss Lovey found these beautiful flowers. She said something like they're called Dutchmans, something Royal Dutchmans. We'll find out later, but I've never seen these before. They're growing over there, and they're growing all over here. That almost looks like parsley or something. Look at that. We are by a river. We have a small patch of knotweed that we're going to get on the way back. Right now, we have some springtime mustard greens, garlic mustard, along with edible cleaver, square stem, very velcro-y. Check out the whorls. I forget how many it is, but it's edible. Just to prove it to you. I'll eat it right now. Also, let me turn it around. I'll also take a garlic mustard leaf. Prove that we can eat that. I'll even eat the garlic mustard flower. Check it out. Blow the germs off and the viruses. As soon as no bugs, bees, or bird poo, you get stung. Alright, she's over there. I'm going to catch up with her. We're going to collect the knotweed on the way back. Can't show you the exact location. The robins are chirping and I am burping. Alright, hold on. We'll be back. We got these beautiful blue lobias. She is right to the right, so I'm not going to get her in. Look at those. I think they're called Virginia bluebells. Not the lobias. They're called Virginia bluebells. They have taken over the woods. I'm going to turn it off because she's right next to me. I'll show you the knotweed on the way out. Hold on. Oh wow, this whole hill is filled with garlic mustard. I mean, it's filled with it. I'm taking a video of it. Look, the whole hill is edible. Let me back it off a little bit. Edible garlic mustard. Check it out. Springtime pickings, folks. That yellow flower is false calendine. You got to cook it twice to eat it, though I've never tried it. Need another one. Slightly bitter tang. That's what makes it good on a sandwich or something. Let's go further down. Oh, look what we have up on this hill here. Wild daffodils on the hills. Saying hello, eh? Check it out. Beautiful. Look what else we have. When it can ever fully flower. This is called Mayflower. Check it out. I've never eaten it, but it is an edible plant, and for some reason it gets mold and dies when it comes into its prime almost every year anymore before it gets its berries. And the berries are poisonous. Oh, right next to it. Somebody left their cup here. Right next to it we have purple dead nettle. Purple dead nettle, folks. Check it out. And turn it around. Purple dead nettle flower. Better cooked, but just to show you, you can eat this too. Ready? Any bees on there? No. Much better cooked. Field cress. I gotta turn around and show you the rest. Oh, this is loaded with food, folks. Once again, Mayflowers. Definitely read up on it before eating it. Daffodils on the hills. More mustard. More mustard. And what else did I have? Field cress. She's snapping this. This is winter cress. Look how big this grew. Winter cress. It's a mustardy plant. Very mustardy. That's a thick, healthy batch. That's winter cress. Alright, I'm gonna catch up to her. This whole field, I can't get her in it. She's right past me. This whole hill is 70% mustard. But here's our view. There's a Canadian goose. I hear the peepers coming out. Alright, it's getting a little bit too long. Save the knotweed for last. So we're almost at the knotweed. But look, here's some bluebells that are white, almost white. Check it out. Alright, we're at the knotweed. We got to get picking. The other ones are more bluish. Hold on. Alright, Miss Lovey's holding the camera. Look, we found some knotweed shoots. Hear that pop? We don't want to wear out our welcome, so we'll just get a few up here. Check it out. Check these big ones here. Check this one. See it? See how it grows by the old stand? Listen to this pop. Pop. Get this one out of here. This stuff's going to take over the woods. It's going to take over the woods. I don't want that one. It's too small. That's good for now. Yeah, shut it off, Lovey. You got Japanese knotweed. Hit the red button. Hit that button.